Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is video 3 of my Grow Along With Me series, where we're learning how much food can be grown in a small space. Last week, we sowed our onion and garlic sets close together. This week, we're sowing carrots or radish if you'd prefer. Checking on the growing bag this morning, I can see that the onions have already started to push out of the compost. I'm not surprised. We watered this well and we've had some unusually warm and sunny days this week. If yours haven't started to grow yet, don't panic. There's always some variety in germination and growth of all seeds and sets. It may just be that you're a bit cooler where you are. I'm going to sow my carrot seeds in this area at the front of the growing bag. It's a couple of hands wide and 1 deep. Check the surface to make sure there are no clumps of compost which would make sowing difficult. I'm going to sow these small globe carrots, but this growing bag is suitable for varieties which are longer too. Open your seed packet and give it a little flick at the edges so the seeds drop to the bottom. Do be careful with sowing carrot seeds, and maybe don't do this on a windy day, because the seeds are very small and easy to lose. I'm not going to sprinkle these by hand, instead I'm going to show you another method. Pinch one side of the packet to make a shoot, like so. Then, moving over the sowing area, tap the side of the seed packet to drop the seeds onto the surface. Do one quick pass over first and then go back over again, filling in any missed areas. I'm going to sow this whole packet just to increase the odds of good germination, and we'll thin them out later if we need to. As before, make sure you sow right up to the edges and close to your dividers too. Lastly, grab a few handfuls of compost and we're going to lightly cover these seeds. I'm using a sowing compost just because I need to use it up, but feel free to use whatever you have to hand. Make sure you break up any large clumps as you go. Then press down with your hand to form good seed to soil contact. This will aid germination. Make yourself a label and pop that in place. I don't need to water this as it's going to be raining now for a few days, but if you expect dry weather, spray or gently water the surface to give those seeds a kick start. Just be careful not to wash the compost away. And that's week 3 done. An easy one this week. Next week we're going to sow our turnips. I love growing turnips, and I usually sow in cell trays like this. We're going to be directly multi-sowing into this area instead. If you're not a fan of turnips, you weirdo, then you can substitute for anything which takes around 10 weeks to grow. For example, radish, spinach or lettuce leaves, or maybe spring onions. As always, thank you to my patrons for supporting the channel and for helping me pay for my gardening addictions. Please leave your thoughts and progress down in the comments, and I'll see you all next week. Thank you and happy growing.